We are Christians. We don't have to lie to ourselves. We don't lie anymore. And Satan and his children doesn't want us to tell the truth. If somebody died and you know that person is not a good Christian, don't keep saying rest in peace. That is a lie. You know yourself. Say nipa na tiase no onye Kristo ni. As a matter of fact, one tiase mewurade na no ikura wo mie nkan Yesu din. So what you say? Obekwa so na obi invite na na se be a Sunday bi wo no acheke no ho a. Yes kwa so na o ma na yi so no wakotena se. Asori dem won wo ko wura okeke. Oni Yesu Kristo ni ase. Nipa wu pe o say rest in peace. Rest in peace ni wo mienu. You will rest in punishment. And you will rest in peace. So what you say? Nipa wu echi atemu wo. After death there is judgment. Sabre we am no kase ekwani yetu. You will Hades ni your paradise. Atenifu wu pe omuko paradise. Abonifu wu pe omuko Hades. Obi beka and na mama no try de o kan go na enforce adia. Bonifu de see him se bia me fan se bia comfortable amoa. Ono sa we kromfo bibi ti sa ta yi no. And you come mama no try tie ase. And na we kase obi e boniania. E bia me fan se obi a kunipa so se saka wafo ndi o kansa ni atiase na obi a ono no mpene ho asem nse ono no masore mkoyi wo nkobi so ye pa. What are you talking about? Ya so na ye kono nipa no nkobi so ye pa. In fact ni ye mu ye pa sa see, I can't say the castle them will be talk because on for you good pa. Obi ushian where you good pa, but I cannot dear back up. E shall no say obi ye man so hey. So what you say? Nti say yes, I good ni be dia. And ye kid na ye good, abna we me kedi kwasam betna. So what you say? Come ye good pa, on say okay, koye. But we are not talking about that. The relationship with that person with Christ, it's the same. I am confined that any Christian term, it's the same. When you yesu na hunkunkun watini mudie. Ya chudi di wo goma ni nkwamum. Ni nyuma ni same. We have to think. We have to. I mean. People don't want to, they don't like, you know, when you say something that is truth, it hurts. Mikaela na me catch me back it way. But 2 years ago, oye bibi na uso ohu at the corner why now can ye no na say chichi na so na no no obusa na de. It hurts. I don't want to hear. Mom, yes, because it hurts. Yeah, I know, but it hurts. No, the inside chichi. No kura ne ba ne hurt. A body say ba. Sani mi permit at this time. When you pass us some way, no correct. But and now say it is a wood this hour ye the man it doesn't and you sweet into be a man be an to be assassin. So what you say? Obi a didn't correct man say no, then to be because Satan the any is sweet a coon. A rather the an to the manner, then him to be a say master. So what you say? One of my PC Nico day, they say living bitters. Or the Tiana. Well, not a petition class a man for the woman, my Anna woman in your woman, Manamboa, and no cuckoo. So until no crack, ask some and yet nippabi, say time more sweet in Antino. So what this hour when you only be good anymore, one pet. Obi and the catman can't say was stay away. I'm not used to this kind of drinks. Because the amount of the bekuno or you used to the bekuno. When you open your mouth and try to tell the truth, people they just hate it, especially about the food. They don't want to hear. Why are you attacking me? Why you go, you confront the person and say, why are you attacking me? Nipa punokre. Yem penokre. And also ne di yeko unkwanjim. Obiu sister if in nimpa says, bra itiasi and no one correct. Nini obie ni what say paradisi woko. So what you say? Ntro na yase. Akosia net say oba ya che. Miss bra kwasi die. Oh. Owo. Ah. Ni papa panche. Bra kwasi mushi ana no osre. Ela say traffic light yase. Mi jira ho me twa basse. Oduru kwa kwan. O bra betem nam fanko. Bra yi me koya ma mi dwa mi kodi wase o. O de me koma me kosesai. O wie no sa de mi ko fie. Tese bra yi jai. Da obi hia de bia no osre. Ah. So yes, we all smile. We all have teeth. You bet me and the effect. But we are not talking about these things. So what you say? We are talking, did that person know what kind of relationship between that person and Christ Jesus? And no one some young and you know what yet? For so one more. So what you say? Incredible for 1 more year. Obey Israel Masia, Bibi obey Yaman, or ye. But relationship between that person and Christ Jesus, it's the same. This year, and you know myself because we nipantem no, ye good. Now then, so could we base ya. Obey to me, Chindi, they say, I know they were passing peace. And also, so you're good, and I'm boy. We are talking about relationship between us and Jesus Christ. And no one some yekin. Nti ayonko fa da wo ni Kristo Yesu ntam no ete say. Ti obi wu na ukowa, if you don't have anything to say, just keep quiet. And sit there and mourn you yourself. Jinjina wo da wo di be wo. Enkojina ho nyen no ye wo wa bra Yesu ni no. Yet you be a ye. And now the overcome a year so me and Johnny D. Won Quang. Unco true to call him by in a yen Johnny D. Won Quang. So what I say? Munko soon is so be a neke can handsome and way yo and I will please. Nipa or Donny Yonkono or Kenya mere son. And none of them make us. Your bar area has said. Me catch up in man say. We are Jumaya area. Nasi Jumana area had been dimua. I just a ye the subam papa dimu some paye Christopher Wampa. But say ye nika and the subam papa, we can now reach out to them and talk to them about Jesus. I'm not sure what they may and never know but me bow baby me. Namitia, me bad my preachy, Ubeshia me hand and me watch the other day. Ubeshia me hanu be in me kunikuno. Ubeshia me hanu be sissing. Ubeshia me also my man try me as last word misika pesa ubeba betie ti se me pesa utie mi wo se mabrabo no e fata Kristo asempa na me bie manu a wo na me mabrabo paso atie asema eba no na wo so otuma bobrabo konkron ye no man atie. We call them that they were good. When they die we go there and say they were good people. We cry. We call ourselves Christians, but yabrabunti we can tell them, we can teach them about Jesus. So what you say? We can. Tinno me so won so obi nyina obi afre onyame ahase abie favor for us, but the canon is us. Yen nam se abruchiro mu aha Ghana ene yesa uhia maame no oba na adimika akogye ne niema mi ne baba ko ono nko a wasi odo ne ho na me ka che me baketo nse ka ho ko ka che nse wo betuma boa na mana ye di oye enye komu se krum ha obi be akola beba be yosa nti so wo hwa afi wo so na se kofu ikura sei nti so wo di nyame asem wura ne fi ho a ompam. So what you say? Who did you mean some really feel intimate? You almost have not transformed. This, nipa oya, nipa ma obey no. So what you say? A woman see a bottom to food in bonnie by ye lifestyle and speaking values. Woman in ye say your area. But say ya nesubam papa dear. No. Ye disrespect her. No. One what's in it not nay, the yard, one who's on mammy a was your colleague on your papa. And no ben one more, my husband say nobody trespass here. So what you say, because we who's in Koye. By a woman sitting to phone if you had it in Bonadia, Nelso ye, you better hand Christonti, our lives will speak volumes. Teaching I would the one who be her with him. Before we me do nyame asem komo bi no e wo se wo nkasa wo ye example to that word anyesa oboa. So what you say? But we don't do it. We just look any oh why you good oh sister where you were pa say ya kasa ye no dia mesi wo ko wi base kura wo mu twe piece a obi ma ne yonko bi no akase mo me dase o didi chale na de wadidi o ne sme nya de ne brabe nie o mi ni sika o unjeje. They do that. Say kasa ye no dia nka heaven ko brother my sister ke ye easy by just uji Yesu Kristo di tinu na sem woka wo John 14 waso munyi onyankopon ni me so munyi mini na tena bia pii nti wo ko asore no uji ni dia de na obey uji ni dia na chese obetutu wona mosisi ni diem. At the moment I obeji Yesu Kristo edi no wo e wo se wo ye niema e be se Christ. So what you say? So uji ni dia na papa na mokro no wo mobida. So would papa ni di wa mo dwama wo mobida. So would papa ni di wa ni wo ni ewuda. So what you say? So would papa ni di na wo nye tutura ni wa nye tutura ni da. Nti so wonya di ni pa na chesa wo pesa wo se no you want to be like him or your mentor or your unyame or your wajinkwa. Na wo so wo ya de ne sen. But when they are the young say ye papa ni di but ye ni yo nyina nse Christ. I wonder. And you will be teacher was one. Eh, yes, sister Dra oh munya nasem. Achiake. Na yes, sister Dra Christo sumi bi party and kin nanke ye kurake ye ten. Brian, musu ye Christo ni. Ni Christo sum pa we party. Christo ni o ya roba. Wey. Oh, sister Jai. Amusu mami no ye Christo ni na no ko no store ho anti ana. Wa hu de mami ne ye ho. Sister me yan susu mu anko de ani bodi tirima mo de nwunu no wa hu nti eno sa nti no afi wo si nyame asem ko obetimi hwo nti na sei na mo komo asore de ani eye mo mfa mo asore sofu betimi ya de o sei na sofu ba bi siwo sofu ma loto no me ma ho sofu loto forecaster mi siwo sofu wa wotimi fa ne sofu ketwa ye me ma ho. So what you say? Ti nipa no so wonim nyame o ma ho nso ampa. So what pam? Bible no na me kenkan bibi de ntia onyankopon e de ensu yire ko sai asase. O se na omo ye niode so obi de nieden yadea. Obi ani nieden e wo bo. Obi de anieden na nipa de ye bone. So woni nye den a untumi nyinsen koda wo doctor enyi nyinsen ntumuda. Eye nieden ye di disappear. Woni nye den a obi sika da ho mfa. So what you say? So woni nye den pa e wudi wonni bi da. So woni nye den adwamamo ummo. Ye de nieden ne di bone because obi obe chase so wudi bone no. O manani ye den na nyamiso afiri ni mu. No otuma yele edi bone nti obi ade ye kasa ne edi enye obi a ebia nani so ohye kasa no obi a odi bone ye niodefo. So what you say nani edi wo bone fam ade a obi a ofere no ono omfere ne odi ni edi di bone ana nipa ye de ni edi ene di bone bi o Bible no ko e de say Genesis chapter 6 verse 9. Genesis chapter 6 verse 9. Or say this is the account of Noah and his descendants. Noah had God's approval and was a man of integrity among people of his time. He walked with God. He had 3 sons, Shem, Ham, and Japheth. The world was corrupt in God's sight and full of violence. God saw the world and how corrupt it was. It was because all people on earth live evil lives. All people. Me treats me to my kind of hono ya. A hono baby sandu a yipa me ba. Me treat you know. Or say, it just was Noah that I say, ye no Noah, I war untaught, the main chassis free Hannah, and me chassis free 10 was in Noah wo Emma me and son, Bassa, Sam Ham, near Yafet. Na asase as eso wo onyankopon anim. Na eniodin share asase no so asase so ma eniodin e share asase no so ma say eniodin dey say obi eni so ohye be ka say oh obi eni so ohye nti na niedin eniodin nipa ni di bone ho asem no okay sa wo de na mpese minya o se eniodin share asase no so ma na onyankopon hunu asase na ohwe se efri se honam nyina efri se honam nyina asai won akwan wo asase so na onyankopon ka kire Noah se honam nyina awieye aben manim efri se won eni odin ahye asase no so ma honam nyina awieye aben mintimi kan twi bebre honam nyina awieye aben efri se won eni odin ahye asase no so ma. You see, what say honam nyina awieye aben efri se won eni odin ahye asase no so ma. Wo kan ye di ni obi ase bi oh sister we de nani so ohye papa we de nani edin pa na so nani odin obi di bone a wo de ni edin eni di bone obi chise kan wo ni a nani odin ti na otumi yesa obi koda wo se doctor nyinyin sentumu mana nani edin ti a obi kofa obi kunu obi yire a eye ni odin odi kodi sabone. So what you say nti eni odin na asase no so ma full of evil, corrupt. So we see oba pemfo ahye baby a level so si den si so friend na sorry eye nie den wo di sa adwuma no so wo be ye occult sakawa illuminati young money eye nie den o no de ko present eye nie den so what you say enti asase no enie den ahya asase no so ma ti nipa didi boni obi hye no we di ba oneni aden ti obi di boni eye boni na wodi no eye ni oden wodi di boni no so what you say eye ni oden no wodi di boni no nti so waka se oman no eni oden ahasase no so ma because of boni eye di no obi ani nye den e wo boni ho ontumi ni boni just woni eden what me di boni and your day you be an so nipa we ni so washinti na ni odin no obi a wotena se di bone no o obi a ni odin e wo bone ho obi a otumi ko robu obi e ko chiki ko robu obi wo wi anu asane nipa ne yere ada se ne ma wo anu asane wo mo da no obi a bonti yesi ni edin sa eni edin ni di sa bone no eni edin o anu obi etimi tenase e de ka obi ho asem eni edin eni woni nya de antimi eni edin eni obi timi de hyem mfikyire no wo ye obi hu but wo hie nipa no obi na no se me do pa me pe wasem pa ba wo te se nipa na chi ye hu e dwiri no wa ye nkanka wo wewe na sese de be ya obi dwiri na gu fom eni odin na nipa de yesa eni edin nipa ni edin no wona na wo hia wa no ofe ne sie dia se ya kyerɛw no wasere wo se me do me pe wasem but o pe wo downfall e wo wachi ba wonim ni nyina ne se wo hu bibi ko nka wo ba wo de be kokko keka nsem nti wo wadi be ba ho so no ni eti watia wo wachi wa bra wonim ho hwe eni odin na nipa ne yesa wo se wo do pa ba wo team up wo hu se pila iso wo be jiri no e be affect nso wodi eni edin ebe ye ma pila na jiri na affecto sana nipa edi eni edin di boni so what you say ebe no ma ye omo church goers what you saw them by Christo woni no so what you say wo hu sa mna da wani mu kotomo nka ba wo be jira wo chia ye hu no afre nipa gada mo hwe amna na eden nimbu so betom na ka kira no say me na me nkoka woni se nipa no so tom se wo mo be pra so wo mo ano no wa hye se di wo hye mo ni pra no how severe is going to be tane nipa die ni eden ye niam wo pa ntima parenta wo mu boni wo mu ba ho wo ntia no they were bad parents omo no wo mada the same as sofua wo be wo sasafo ma ye boni a omre mu metia wo no onye good pastor o person ne man ko hye o mu ko gym complete sanso na pani wo fie no wo ade se nye so wo betra se ebe hwe sa ade ne be trete no wo se ye hwedi be sie no onye pani mpa nipa die mi eden na yesa o die mi edio ebe ye wo sa me kaita mana mi sum me kosi ama nko Kristo so utumi so what dress half naked na pani no hia wo so ho ayefe was who go wo was you look beautiful utumi so dressing no wo mami o wo na wo papa wo hu a wan hwa ne bo be funu enso papa ti penso wo mami ti penso be hia wa ka kire say half naked na what dressing no ho ayefe what in the near day be defe wo mo ko sana ni patie Timi tena se jino se satam se mi wuya. Nti na nipa no mu pemiye. Se wo bi ka se me papa ne bu ni be. Se wo bi ka se jibibi hye wa no popropo mu a se wo ni watem. E komo de no obi ka se wa no kakraka be ji aduane hye mu wonye wo boa komo de wo ja wo bi. Enti sa o ka se wa no popropo nti aduane na wonye a enketenkete be chew. Nipa prezi nipa wo bone ho. So obeyi bone aten onye da. Eni ti ama nipa soso akokwa e wo defe ho. Enti wo ye nipa ba ko na opie se wum na wo ba be yi bone ho atos hey. Who is this person? Me mama bi. Me ne kasa na me bo be papa ko se wadi. O se me de man ni ntie no odi atem dodo. I want him for me wondering. Because Matina who says small can he have a point. The man have a point. This will can see a seven so now says was walk quasia or become quasia. Na Bible no so a true quasia baby. Papa no do one dumb pool. Whatever man. Nipa so called do defe yet the other mama ye touch into what tia. Or no, na adwene mu ne na koma mu ne fi se nipa no wudi watem. Si what you say? Enti efutu eye sound okwasea sum se didi atem. Obi tu obi fo a okwasea gina ho anam so ye kwasea nti e sound o na sum se efutu a wutu no ne ye didi atem. Nipa mpe no kore. Enunti and we need din for we need din bone. By your finger din so ready. What say? I say, I'm ready to aben if you say any day a shasa no summa. And ye dear you did bone a shasa no summa. And then Ubin too before being Cassancho be offended. When you talk to them about something, they were offended. Me see especially American for them about we crowd and until you down they were sinking, but they don't know. They were sinking, but they don't know. When Bonnie in the new can say, why are you attacking me? Nti wana nka. Why enenka? Nti ye jama boni anom aye normal to people. Boni aye normal. We don't talk about it. Nti yama ene ye ho afa. It is say you be exercise. Na wa ya na beginning wo sha se nimpo ma fe wo yire no ho ya afa ne na fa fe wo tumrika se de ya won tripping. Tana aye this time. Sana tio this time. And they were mammy phobia. Almost show makutupa on panachin. Almost show makutupa on panachin. They help them. A being insane, Momudu, Mochiko yin insane to go. Ubi mammy call who on China worker said queer. Obey, said you ought to tune and I'm was yade. But Jimmy Brennan didn't know. Enti now obi bakro ye bibi na wo maame asema da wo tie kire na wo sade na ye na nye wo betu no ho ofo no wo se ade wo na wo me ba maame na wo betu defo wo ni befutu akoko ka kire akoko hede yesa ni ne akoko wo mra fi nti ama na ye hu se wo mu sa kola na tade na hye ne nye odi ni maame achi ka be fre na akua watade de ne maame se ade Ada Yesu Kristo wabo paagu. Munko na munsum Kristo akoka nyame mebo ye de kyese enka ho. Na tade ye hye ne sister me busa wo de na me beye na tade aye. Wonso wani chia se sa baba wo yi de dress se ya benyini a onche wasase so. Bible said you boy jamana wo bossa e de se wo no nipadua. was a cat says, will be sure Baba one on the condom on another. Ntia Baba way no munina, I demand war born to what is sending independent to one chow assassin. What do you mean, day say, Gaman for Tam? And Mammy Fui, Niak, a queer now, why half naked, Papa Fuyo, near your boss of Fuchido. You look good. I am for sister enough for when you go. Near come for. Why they 2 4? Why they can be a Maya? Why they Jinamu? I mean, who said danger is ahead of you? Be wise. Be wise. And no refugee, no mamma, no man, no more for Kakrajai. Or Boo say you are, or Jiju Musi can on the ABB. And the mamma, which you know, I want to buy. No, be ha, the banner on Krata, boy, in Krata, or Mobama boy, na you could to do mamma, or be jack. Wo be shine, wo be cracked long last na, ne banner shine, nipa ne wheel. We are. Was the media bemu in Krata, the man who me ba. See what you say. But the banner dear coin or coin a bema crow Krata dia, cobem, and any young true baby a month for the throne agent Krata. This will could hear. Because my men are one in a banner sign or banner ebia. If you cry when Yankupa and Duma be a swatch and be a weenie, my minister brand crack and tina, but Mimpenamount. And tis Santinibo, what a France Nara before you do much. Say they couldn't near Santini, near Christoni, oh, there be Arab before they have money, they will give it to them. And maybe not a program of France. Somebody said this. Was we have women here. Paris. But these Arabians, they have money. They follow them. They don't care about us. They care less. Stand by. Mama never let China say, hey, be wise. So come here, you can do any kibika. You see? And yet, baby, and the bunny running yet by no sika will be nephew won't or Babona Safuchido Mamma Nanga. Obey Yam and Raho. Obey Jew form complete. Nephew to pa, your mamma no Makomako. And Mako. Surpassing me and Juma with a medicine monster and old age, you know. Mako. Be Bible no call Titus. And Mako. Be Bible no call Titus, chapter 2, verse 1. Or say, tell believers to live the kind of life that goes along with accurate teachings. Tell older men, listen to this. Tell older men to be sober. I'm asking a question. How many of our older men are sober this end time? Most of them love drinking alcohol. And you. And only pump just you. They will sit you down and give you alcohol to drink. They say they were socializing. They call it, we are socializing. This is socialize. Now, Bible no so me at Proverbs 20. Was saying, so you feel before, and some day when you talk you don't think I will need answer. Internet is a penina, Washington, some so Brabanum bin Papa Nankasa will need answer. Because what on someone 10 times Frau Sabe joining Namam, until that means Papa and the Assam no command. Nana, Assam be saying, that's of work could do no boss of promise, Papa Nidiate. Papa is so one Bible. When the baby won't pay for two, one person will see some Namia some chrono, will be one and I come bonny anymore. Say, until when people say, I don't like the man, or did he attempt to remember the Ujina? Never who baby a Gina complete. Who didn't film me, Papa the Bunny was so. What did film my dear your soul so you could was a munyam and a minute a citizen? Who? A bank about down say you look to him. Ubi more one cow bonny and munchra on a sacra. Ninyan come across ye. I don't know Casasa. Tiny party. Baby, I no could you bet can of cram and I want to sapien. No bet's not si bad chinny. After Mwabano, hey, they don't like it. Why my junk food? Yes, Chilibu, Alewa, Yedibamo, one no, and did dinner Asha Ugu, and no mope. And no mope, maybe a more salad. I'm more dear Hahama, I'm more meaning up Pumudino, almost a mumpo, or Moko did junk food, a fashion macro of who no adi. So what I say, suddenly Pemipe. Nti was it? Tell the older men to be sober. Listen to this. Was it tell them to be men of good character, to use good judgment, and to be well grounded in faith, love, and endurance. They use good judgment, and now we see in Konya. Most of them. Because Omobesha say no more be can gun safran and anam see be dia warese. Enti tumi e wasem no mu a wo se tawo nyankopon chi so do wo se do nyankopon ka bomu no onipa ni hu kwan so wotitimu no. These people, because of influence of alcohol, they don't use good judgment to calm broken homes, to put it together. They don't have the power to do that. Some of them. So what you say? But we share now what to turn into. But we take Christo into wisdom. You didn't need pakasa. And many chin who feel be only. Until they don't use good judgment. Some of them will be like, what's the saying? Why ya jano? No na yoba. Why ya jano no na yoba. I don't want to ma. Uno irenti. They will say this. They will call them to come home and sit down and socialize with alcohol. Nti catch almost so Yankopon si do turn someone tinta woni nyansa wo sie. Who are there? I don't know kasasa. But when it comes to this, na sabne ba and a no. But people love that. I don't know me catch them. Me so talk like it was say. No kuta Bible, no preach here. And when is where akwala no gina wo no. Gina ho na wo di tie wo awurade asem ne ko. Emfa akwala ne tibia ne short cut wo ye wo gina ko no. Emu na nim tie ne asem kakraka ne firi na no ba no. Enya ho. So what you see? Most of our men, the bad influence these young men till they cannot keep women. They can't. Papa mi would was some cotton. If you see me over Casacrama, who couldn't antiasia, but who couldn't be free of a banana genocrass say more. So what you say? Who couldn't be free of a banana general I say more. And your penny be an and we want general next say, who could tell you, be wise. Obi ni ria eno nkyerese wo kutanya me agino sanam pesa enyo last night papa esofo we interview papa bi or you see where be I laugh and I know this thing was a penny bi ho ani tire wo ontu fupa onya na se wo ko ka kire penny advice for the man no man ko to boni tinyam penny fu penny a wajan ewrade ho no ontu fupa enya waje se bi de masem ko to penny we yanim wabra wajan ewrade ho sa penny no ntu fupa yentie no ye ti sam penny fu di bi echi ama ye mu bebre akoka dwam We think he said omo ye penny for. Na me bu so wo ye penny wo Yesu Kristo ase anasa wo ye no ho penny wo Satan way. Our year years ago, a gua butcher, a penny for you sing conya, or mama alcohol, lady woman, or mum tentene, in the man while you be gua butcher. And when you Mrs. Anna Moyami, may you call youngest, young boys, no more but sladdy, no money much or no more to say. What to your miss what to your son away? Or my call like a trouble your boss. So what you say? Ye jamon bebre. Uncle, we look up to them. They were our mentors because of influence of alcohol. And bonia woman person be jemu. Atu when you meet jemu ntino. Ye futu for us. And inti ya say mano. And the junk food in your mama woman. They were used to it. It will be pierced to a kind of crowd. That person become their enemy. Sanity. But don't let that fool you. Wamane won kwan ma Yesu Kristo e de na hye na se kire na de waye. Yunkobim 3 no say, tell older women to live their lives in a way that shows they are dedicated to God. Tell them not to be gossip. To Unyamika say country older women, tell them not to be gossip, and it say they gossip into a country woman. In sikuru konkonsa, nkofo some gossipers. Adina nipa ni kum ni kukuno on country obetine chine no ade hu konkonsa. Most of our mothers, most of them omadwumani. Konkonsa will be dear, you will be shocked. To us, tell them to not be gossipers. They are not just there's young Cassandra woman, they will be gossipers. And we see them, they gossip like nobody's business. When also when you know a penny, when you there. So what you say? Ntia kolani ye bone no, e was so friend no two children no 24. So ne ye ni for because so ye mpanimfo ni bi eja awurade ho. Nti they don't advise. There's no good advice. Akolani kobo adwaman or ye bone panimu hunu ne 24. Omonka onyimu wia. They say, oh, wanyimu wo konade no one used to as your own daughter, your own son, to warn him before it's too late. So what you say? Mama never friend girl not nasi, and then I can a boyfriend who wants him. God is telling older women, this is not a job that He give it to you. Was to tell them not to be gossipers. Na me nie hokan. Was that there? Was all addicted to alcohol. Most of our women, they were addicted to alcohol. Kopati nasi kwa nasi. 50 years woman who chalaka. Be a test. Mammy we baba I 20 years. And the mammy we share if you bed on the man. Uba baba dressed half naked. This woman will praise that lady. So why I come? So what you say? Everything they were feeding them junk until when you speak the truth, they say, hey, we are hashing. So what you say? But in your juma when they ready to job, older women. Because mama want it you. Nti se sadia. Mama mo brabon fata Christo sempa. Mama nya gossipers, mama nya addicted to alcohol. Now most of older women they smoke weed. Ye shensa we be test ni twa. Nti sa mama we I fit to ben wo de be my young lady no number. Ajuma rade dia ma wo mo no, yo mo jane ho, wo mo bi. Nyu mo nyina. We have some women now. Woman friends Befi, and tell me, boy, hey, when is so blue wrong? When is so blue wrong? No more jisso. Or what did you so? Tell me, my boy, the black summer, I'm in a sasso. No one in the bay, no, my minute. And until 2 o'clock, none the baby, a fair warber, no, my minute jisso. Ne papa ko kasi e musumunyai ade abai ade obeware na na auntie, you are digging your own grave. Sakola iji yin say wom e bia de ode beba nye enne you mu bebre ye ti wurade so tienti ne manada ne sakawa boys nti se so won tu akola ne fo wo be kum so what you say kuta wonyami asem ne woni munye duru what didn't cost some bar or best stop or bet think it twice or because the last time me di rough me my man's one sped into woman more than her into a judge na money da fanana nkusiso na hye by the my minimum gossipers addicted to alcohol into the no be catch oba no obeti die no be catch oba no amanatie na me ba no ho fe oba ware no bibia nye fe wi asese watete abofra ne ho fe na wanye mmemasem uti wasem na obi nyina ntu mpempenso bi na obi beba besra na wade efe ba ye ma me no mu ida bi o jita kola ne koye bon wan so what you say wan nyu nyame so adwuma wo nyame bebusa because one I was say wo street akola kro would rough some of the what's in the uncle mamma to be perform metewa perform na be born some mama my way or highway simple as ABC me won joku no me papa na kan was bibia nye yes ababa wa ne ho fe no wa jimi wo hia na fefefe so wa jimi so what you say what me kan me metete ba jimfo what the American wo si kwanyam cheme ntete ba wa jimi so what you say bibia nye ya sa kola ne ho fe no wa jimi na nkwasefo de nam na je no nenu odenti so sa timi me papa woni me nam na hia me na ye papa wo bai de ne ho fe wo se we wojira we akola wo to nti wo bone no wa wonni because wo papa no mpie obeka mo bi atibi so what you say ba wo tete wo ba no na maami bi o tenchan a wo ba na kofa de ba no damfo no ahye ne ba ne tacho nti wo ka wo de na wo ba ne se wo de ne too much maami we won tesa na ne me ni maami bi na tete me ba na wo maami ne fi kura kan si wo bi wo ne mani na fofa they were so addicted to gossip, alcohol. You man and say. So what you say? Only they are saying to so you all the and say no. What was that colony say? Chinebra. Hey, you sawa. When so dear, Nkolana be banim. Abeka. Na me papa ya hash do. Na me mama de onso ya hash was say ne nyesa wo kan wo mama de wo yeso ja wo mayo na ne di wo ha me se me papa wo ye ne me hu sese ne wodo me se me papa mama kwan ka me wo beten because ku bi afra me na ko de me ko o hia wa yi akola na ho festa no e mu panimfo to me kasa brabe bobo ne ntoma man pani a ni tire wo ni tire ni fi nti papa na me papa ni tire be ba fi o oh, me se wo dobroba. E da kwa nyam che ko ho odu fio. Se wo hu se wo ne enkola no mo nyim wo krom ne banka ho. Ye kan enkola wo benyim ne ba no de wo nka ho. Ti wo ba sa wo bepe ne ba no gine yi. O ti ase. Wo shakra. Don't try it. Me ti mi ko se ba bi na mi su. Se na kwa nyam che yem yi. Mitri papa na si wansi na mitima chimpana na mitimi papa na si na mitimi na ofu yi na ko chimpana nso na ye ma menum they support chimpana kokko na obi ne da so what you say na dipa na ba braga kunya te say anti ayo kwaku na de mu simi so na kwaku atom petition dia befio na one maame ni si wono na ne ba na hye nika da ha na ne sire mu nyina go no why embarrassing the parents because the juma we nyame de share maame fo mpanimfo they refuse to do it to omuni mu nyame frato ntu what did you kasa kira obansa na me so me ntesa nti me hu sa wotesa me ba wo ma fie woni unia woni ni adafo so what you say woni ni adafo fa me check wo family no na woni obi a Kristo so wo fa na woni se yi tete ba me ba ma fie simple as ABC. Yes, who this who be your agent no na se wo won se yesi bo mochichi so frinsia se be catch us den chama wo yin na chi wo be bia wo nya matra wo ete se di obi aso anu fi Chicago wo be sina komre wake wo hu de wo downtown nyina no wo ba se traffic wo ha wonim wo nya nru ho yet nti se yeso obi ma obi wo ne na obi nkantre na me good person mituma wo ne wa catch us ade na say na tie nti don't try it. By now, what's the older women? Tell them to not be gossipers and addicted to alcohol. Maybe, mami, what's it but to be example of virtues? Was it to be example of virtues? Was it in this way they would teach young women to show love to their husbands and children? And ne who call what you young girl no was so panicuna. Na mami peniti no was support. Instead of teaching them how to love their husbands, humble themselves to them. And teach their children, they refuse to do it. Ne panenya semwa wadi mo de ne ba mami ne ja yi ofa Yesu wo hefa na wo be nya semu e no de bi teach ne ba. Most of our women, they were gold diggers. All they want is money. But the real teachings they refuse to do that. Real teachings, now what is sister brother? What to tell be ya? Ubi ba ufi wa oferi wo. Wo be sra bana utumu say yes. Ya titinu. Nti wo ba wo onu kra ofere. Because of the what to do banama na ye no. Wo nye basa basa. Tis wo ba oni kra no. Nye komo sa. Nti di jawo. No akwala timi fafo. No one ni mama di the boyfriend hon komo. When this be wo. Hey, baby, me catch me say my woman brochire bi ba mo nya brochire fo. Say I brochire fo collect me because sister, this is my get maybe mam fie. Nti kola wo nya damfo, omo na yo mo nko sleep over. They don't go to sleep over. Why fie na wo go sleep over? Why? Small boy. Na nini na nsunya no to no yesre wrade no amayenu masama betumi na wo bi wa no go ma so awom na fi wa bafo obeba fo. But what ye mama awani bi bregu ye mama no mu bi kataso ko mo na hihya ase na ekua osese ukuru osese nti wono nti ukuru nti opeso chem so wono nkwa na do ba bruchiri ekua otu wo fe abruchi ne wono okosisi apa obi tua cha support nkola na obehwe wo mfi no ana wono nkwa na ebema emema tu mema bu utu wo nsai wo taso ye yon wo fe mami phobia no sei na gu maba wo be bia ware ye so wo beka no kora sabo beka no kora asema me kane moa. Mami phone bia no office na mami no oni ne kofa adwen o de man nti girl ntimi ani last na me madam for Mary di nkomo wahu. In fact, ya ade. Hey, ye ni pa ni bebre ti say ya ne babruche. E bi eni 2 years wa ware na so wo mu dwane. Ye de ye ma ye wake up ya ade papa. Wo fi se maame ne ye ne maame seso. Wo ya bruche ne maame ni ha. Ma wo ne maame ni nkodi nkomo. Maame ne lead no ama sister na wade na gu. Because the Juma when you made the show on some, they refuse to do it. Gossip. I know one of you will be the say. The gossip on my life for say. The entire brother, what will be playing you papa advice na yo sir. What try back on tia on case no ye sir. Who person we berma you boo ye say can go you say. E bi no so wo we selfish. Wo no ne de na nsi ni no person so de say nti anokura ne da ho on kan kire da obehwa ma wo so akotom na wa ma kan kire nso wo yekohwini. Sa na ye ma me no bisa. Wo ware be 5 enu uja ihe ti wo hia baba wa wo person wo no so ne life yes ono anu mu nyina be semo. Inti efutu ho pa e wonam no but won country wo be show kutupa egu awale no complete Bible no so wo mu de nie den o man no wonya be send because o enie den asase no so ma enie den na nipa de ye wi enie den o na nipa de di bone enie den na baba wo ware yetim ko bi na na mo obi ne da. And you deal with me got abortion clinic could make you sent to go in your day. And God will ask us, we will say, oh, Miss Osha money kutupa, Mudi Gossiasma, when you made the Sister Menada, Ubusa was some. Bubusa was some more. Nti catch out no munkas when you did. One no munkas me mamma de. Ma obi na se me no obi tumi kas. Papa no ba Mr. Mopa, e yo mama nanko. Usunsi okwa say, my be friend Mr. Oliver. Ne ma wo mema nko anan. Na wo ne ma na atu se mema ni. Na na ba ku ewo. Akosi eje. Boy timi hu jai na ne papa friend no say wo brase. Papa no ne bei. Me pa chow. Nyesa wo di tube be fia. O ti ase. O di tube ba. Ti mi sunsia na mi twam. Bi. No de nani. Et se de wa store. Na we window shopping. When nipa be hu kena. Nso na idea enti. Papa ni ti mi sheda na me papa di agro keke. O say, "Hey, papa obey die." Na me papa ni man serious. One sere no aka bi aka ho. So what you say? Because was sere ko me ba be dem be hu say we interest, when you interested. Ni nyina say na o hwe say, o da chinse. Because be ma be bu onim tia, na de wa ye o hu tia. De wa ye. Nso ye mai, ye ma me foi. Wo mu na be kire kwan a wo be fa so ne be ma be da. They will teach you this. Ekwa obe fa so wonyin se obe kokko yiegu enura wo be fa nti ge na aware etam bedu na manyina asa women onyame asem ka kire mo se monye o e man penifo e memma penifo no mo asedie kemi kamo tenasi o na maba wa ye jimi ye ni mo de ya be sue nyansa wo mo na se wedi da bi wo be kono hyehye nsa wo se be burubi. Obe kona mami ti wo wash half naked wo nufu nyina go se ku ya wo aye fe na boy woni mase na ase we de wa ba tena se o they say this nti nkola ne nje papa fo yi bi suso wo mo so anteni wo mo sef no mo bom mo frei toje chede enti wo papa yi wo tu na ni bua wo be na tu no fo so what you say obi na no se papa we kuya wo papa e fro se o ma me de jana se Ni nyina ne se wa ye ho fi won anim. Umu se wo ye papa. So what you say? Because you suba wo da na di no, umu se wo ye papa no di bu ama. So that's what we are doing. Into your mind no, and ye dey shasase soma, nti ready be say we ase or be say no. Wakati no wasi yadaka na ni dey ashasase no soma. Ni poku teni dey di boni. And na ho na me bon. Yesu Kristo se men kan kira ose. And ye dey ashasase soma no di ja na be say no. Nti di owa so no, nti di honhom ne kasa kira safo no nsakra na dwen. Ansa na wo so ahini na ba. Na papa no hu no. Untumi ni na chije se hu no. He's a man that you can't even describe. Untumi describe when ni su se di usitie. Sano papa ne tie. Umu na ube dono na umu na untumi no da na campus wotie na numa sam. Sano tie. Wo bu atentene ne. Won so bone so wo ye man of justice. Nso ye si edi na chi o, nso ye ntesa. Ababa wa atena ne boni moni chia so wona ne boyfriend ne tie no wo ko wo no wo. No mo ko tena rest in perfect peace. Na mo tru butu akese moni chia se tu ba obeda na di no, enye Kristo su. O ko Hades direct. Nso mo ti ho na mo twitwi moni ase na antro akese. Yenya de microphone ni ma sister ya. Brother na won sem obeka no so brother yiti wo no wo ntene. Oni Yesu oni no. Asoro wo ko bi keke. So what you say? Enkoye. Mema bena me ba we yi me ba sem ko jan uyem sem tribie wo semeko. Na nse me twi me mutan ya sama yi mekokọ yi. Because oniema bi asi. Me mama no we nkofrefre dwa mama. So what you say? Ti me ba nya fe na me beke kan ho nsem. Minim. Ana de wo na wo ye wasasi so na ne be kire me se he fa na wo kro. Nti me metewa no mesu me ho asra awrade se awrade tintim mase wo Kristo so mu ne manhu se diboye ni. So what you say? Nti ye hwe sade no ne ye de atena se aka se awrade wu ye mobo me hu sa de boyefo. Nti we die omukoduru ha. Obi kura wona na chimpna aye niema no ko Eradi ni papa pancho. Miyamo Egwe me pro me wie yaba. Brain no be owo utirimu adio owo wada pafo owo o check brother na brabo a odi sunu no so a na ni tua baby woko. Sister sunu wo so wie ye atruntio ne papa yi odini odi dance se ne papa yi azan papa na wu o se onko kira Abraham kukum ntase boni o ntase nyemofu Abraham kukum ntase akromfo ni udifo ni adwamamofo Abraham kukum ntase nipa wo ya hantan nipa dadafo Abraham kukum ntase sa Abraham akukum entase nipa wo ya hantan ya wodi ni dindi bone Abraham kukum entase those people entase nipa wo motre wiase abo mo brase ni wo tie e de wrade wo entase sade na Abraham kukum sesa nyemfunu no una betira Abraham so mfa ntu ni kukum. So what you say? Atro when we come to say, dear Raddy Penway, what's your conscience? You who are forward in the car for a cushion, as I was a near my brown interest here to the one gong. Which no war won't interest a truly do one gong. Wouldn't see a woman be interested or yenti a truly do one gong. What is to Christo in Tamet to say? And almost some busa. Or he need you or you. nyame hira no nanamo unkwaso ye nanamo wayade na yisu so de ogunsa ehye wo soro onyankopon obufuo wo shit o chie nsa chi nyame firi soro ba fom sa asase ya ne de say esoro mponyina mo magensanom and saying so was all the go asase so na me aka asase no nti na na betina ho wo ye wo papa nkyere se ya tro ne di wo nkwan mu no nti wo wu a nkogina wo nkase na di papa nche na na ya wo ye onko Abraham kuku fute oni ma wurade anko hwie sanhye nyame abufuo konye de ya ne kubinisa obo sofu no obokare ka na ogina nchen omo be hwehwe wo monsan bibia ewia na efre sofu no nso be bompai we sama ye dru ayi Ghana festival be bi Chicago Ghana festival be ye bi wo be kwakoto asofo omo bo clerical nkramofo be bompai ye wia na bosonsomfo be gu nsa ansa na wasofo aba be bompai mu be hu bi ye de kando no me aka sase no nti wo a wo ni Onyankopon adwene ye ba ko no sa bia ho ye nyina ho because we want to get to nyame natem before you get there ye hie sawo ye kurum bi hie sawo abruchire ade mo hie sawo ye betu obi atomo na abruchire fo ahemfo se mo munsa ye beche mo na se mo munsa ye betu mo ye die Kristo fo ahemfo nim uko komo sere na okasasa owie ye o mi su brebre ene de wonim me bo kokko sa na no waye ye ye di natam kansam boni bi egu ni so wose mun sakra waji o wonyame de so yire be sasa so si no wa wodam onim de o kire anoto am so em se wo ya yi ababa wa kama se em se wo ya bodam a wo si wo ye dede me wo se bibi fi kwa mu bo na me bo kokko se bi wise ene no mo ye na no ni ye nyame nshira nyame nshira nyame nye say it doesn't work and work it because we need nyame bufu but we go there, we support them, including pastors with clerical mumchire hobi nkamo dika no makasa se no awrade chiri sa ansaguo timu ya de no mpese e bahwa nsanguo no munyim firi ni emra hobi munye ku nsape wo disrespect Nyankopon nso we di wo support woni nti wo singa wo self na ko kapom say o ye Kristo ni da be na wo refi so wo mu di kan ba be di kira mu di kira be di ni wo refi wo and you be fasting your seatbelt and be wise. Be wise. Nyesa nipa umunu no. Eneko nkremufu memu Yesu Kristo ye evangelism. Ode ne nse ka wo monye kono. Wo be hia laji umuno. Echina na Yesu Kristo wo hu no. No nya nkwa ma ne kra. Na wo wotire mu na nti nkojo hoho no akɔhye. Se nkremufu na ya Yesu aka mehu bra sister. Ka nam hi ko behu. Nso ne last ababa wa bi omo se wo ye slave queen wotima chi Bible atowa Manchester ya chi Quran ne fa Manchester tum ne bade ka be wo se jawu ko nya kukudu chi Quran se ne fa jatum ne hwedi besie e wo bre physically hwedi besie ya ki nyame na to form but Jesus Christ ndima wo de pa it is good one support boni ye show musa so for o friend who differ to be friend be abaya gina TV so no kisi no na congregation go ne e ko masala chi ko disarofo ko disarofo nti ye kekanya ye ni manya mesompa but mu ahoden ene wo nkokora ma nipa ka bodi ni mu no ya ni sa ahoden no nti we are so afraid ye ni akokudura ye de kan kore ha wo be ye Kristo ni won kon wo da seduwa wa hye wo ho konfo wo tise obi o ti play bi mu ni ya nan so se play ni ko krashe wo wo awie na anam enti papa oboni wo ginam anything can happen to your life so what you say Jesus Christ be jim kwano enti wo ye obi esuo eni hu bowa you can go far Did you forget? Enti Mark kudrofo ebe story ye se mema. Na mema dane akatachie nso mayi dia dane apatachi. And gossip. Mema yo dia dane nsanom ne dwamai. O fane ba he last Nigeria. Me be ka kire mo Regina Daniels. Ne nana prekope. Ne sekanti ne nana wa ware no. Gold diggers. All they care is money. Christianity is not money. It's not a money matter. See, you can't. And you be poor Christus. So many we are supposed to be. Nti say sabo shenne Yesu di share ko sisi ye pa. And no me make. Mr. say Yesu Christo the worldly things and the share your work were higher. What promise you down ko? And you be sika be to ka obi si fi obi kwa buchi oba wo. Obi be a company. Obi tibika afiwe ma Maria enyamesum kra me nsum biem. A edwuma di ma nya padia ene na Yesu Kristo di me hemo. Awo we di ma wo padia me fa me ho adwe. Wono fa ho be. Wono fa ho. Enya no de hye wo bo ntuntumi ntakere. Wo se we na hini netre ne kane na yeinum wo fre ne yeinum. Wonya we na hini netre ne kane a afi no de yeinum na kan. Sanity. So, and quick, they want everything quick. And inti a different to for juma ba. Because ye are so much you say, Uba Yesu mu ubi di. So Uba Yesu mu kwana atimi toka asifia and ye kwakubu sam wasisi e pa. Because one so nya bi, nso onye Kristo ni omo Yesu din. So what you say? Dan connect na kwan na hwehwe wodofo. Emre ni wo mayeyo. Na me si ni we for no mo ye smart. Wo mo di onyankopon di akoye Sodom and Gomorrah. Nti wo mo fa wo ho adwe. Ti Jonah ba ya no hene sen Jonah enkasa mre mate. Me ne me man including moa ye mo mu nidi obi ade ne yefunu beto. Ni asre wade mo de bone ate. Because Yehudi okoye wo Sodom and Gomorrah. Sa papa ni di agro no wojiga wo yeso ahim boto no ne de kurashim nso ne ahimfo na hye nyame bufuo omuno ho manma yentofuo ne shegana boys mrante tramo and you mafun sanon and the biaba all corners to most of them boys woman who dear son. Why you feed woman prequadian? Nyamia some kron. We refuse to give it to them. And mama woman than you jamamo for. They are addicted to sex. Sanity. Sana you. Me catch the benyansa for. Asem atemu dayanim. Wonyame won fere obi a wo misi nei ene na wo so wo ye di osoma wo najuma ene ya na wo se hwehwa waje nkwana wo kra me and yes that danger is ahead of us. Be wise. Yesu Kristo wonye sakasaka wonye fi ti yemfa fi nkwana ni so yankotra se ene mema nkode dan ko yi ni se nu engu emokro no nya zan emetra ne na se. He's a genuine. So you have to be also genuine if you follow the man. Sanity. But when you speak, they say, hey, sister, you know, hey, Missy Nipo Besop, Missy down to the people will be surprised. Hey, what you want to make Munibia Jesus with the say? Now, because one mubra, yes, Christo didn't quite yet, ever do one muno. One we in the pebinum, so we can crunch now. One mu, ufasam satra. Jesus is on the way coming. Last me catch him was a sort of beer. Ponko fita. No, listen what Tim catch him said. Preach Matthew 24. I feel me say no. not there yet. I feel no so. Me who's so na me my Bible so I'm sure say me preaching. I feel no born and said. The man is at the door. He's coming. He's coming very soon. Was ye be a coco? Or so he didn't bang. Hey, at the same time, has a bobone. Ye, woman could keep and call near the injury time to show. Any moment the trumpet can sound. Refrigerator my body just to move. Any moment. The jump on this so. Guess you know what she shall see. A chimpana, and none of the boy be commission be wise. Guess no my banner woman if to phone. What the number the film I bear to be wise. So what you say? One no better than the Konomukaya or no one swap, or no so much one swap to be wise. A queer Satan first to hear the Juma this time. Who? A quite pure first swap, obey you be a mountain and mental obey. Into two Christosum and Idaho a company. Woman who's a woody one in our way you they don't love you. What was that? The cocoon was so one can't mean and say, and make okay. I didn't so cocoon into Donna. Hold on. You will be brave, free, and one sort of forward, Bruce. Sankayam, pass your face to Christo, and I can't come back your man, and come here, Brabon massacre. And so you be a not see a quite sorry. You do your boss sorry and sorry for a pet. Your quite 110 years for a pet. Into one castle, they don't know who you are. Into a better follow to church. Or better follow to church. Who so a sacra? Who bow one tamusua, who come see come sa, and to who are you? When you go post to Kutubo, you will be full for the noon. We have vomit. What would you who are shit? If you are the foot, near shall see a boss don't turn out them. Now that down. Now what's up? What was the Pentecost of what she has and also not him? Praise the Lord was the hallelujah. And you way me so to me a jato. What do you so a sacrawadi? Pentecost of one. Almost say ye best no. Say Yesu Christo nyami banoba. Yene no bese. Listen to this. Ye bese no. Say Yesu Christo nyami banoba. Yene no bese. Nti cheke wabrabo. And you now to say Yesu Christo nyami banoba one ne bese. Dia one ne sesu no obefana ko. It is a magnet ebe chiu say. Enti cheke wabrabo nyum na woto no. Woni Yesu Christo nyame ba no woni ne se mi busa kosa. Wonke ka woni manyam so mpa. Nesu mu hoden, mu okukudru, you don't have it. Wo po abrabo no woni pa bi edi so na wodru okuku ma. Because they say fresh time me kodidwa. Fresh market. Now since my catch say me could deeper life for no. Girl, you could deeper life. Well, when you say deeper life, once someone shouts, "My more straight power, deeper life for the it drew sadly way there. I give it up to them." But my main can't tell you. I went to the store. Jen said, "Teacher again to and in the mess you gonna tell me." Sunday, not to quit unity, none the secretary. I saw one in your mail. I'm until in your mini hobby. I saw it, and when I used to Christo. I want to what the Najumu used to do. Sorry, she thinks she's fooling her pastor. You see, people think they were fooling pastors. You're fooling yourself. Yes, to Christian and the new woman. One of the Surunia who poet your pay. Preaching Piansu knew what deeper life of him preaching was on them. And into Omaya, Mamma Fui. Preaching anybody here, they come saying you guys are, it's not like this. You guys attack too much. This is too much. You think in the church. Into a mobile check no people. Nkasumadi they also won't check nso hwe o meshi buto. Into what is the point? And your sister Koboni was in the first man show nenku. What wo boss yes man dey to say wasum kura wo money wo so wo je say yeyire wo to a watade hye wo nye wo ma hyigu to so nti what is the difference wo se dey obi odi wo hya somade ko jim nti nani what was the difference? Some people they just go to church obeko kotena pillar of Zion no I know we say we suru so for but we suru brade unsura de om usuru so for we na unyame appoint no usuru ono but ewurade na wo appoint so for we na de unsuru se ewurade no unsura de wo se fesuro ene ahopopo ye wo kra nkonje ho adwuma wi ti baby a wonam bia ma unyame usuru ntra usuo mesina me ne me make obobo me de me skirts omba omo ka cha papa hey our mom is so good me ne wo mo gina park no so ekunti penkon we play with my skirts me ne wo mo bobo no basta me exercise they don't know me ne wo mo na nyasem ketwa me de skirt no bo me sports skirt tin rough no emunu ye loose me ne wo mo nyasem ketwa I wear skirt and I play soccer like crazy so be back at me go walk me run ni nyina I'm in my skirt se ka me betina ha na me preaching na wo se me skirt na nka wo hu me boa ka me kokko ma sam de se ka hu but me suru wade e wo me chambers baby a wo hu me no I'm afraid of God there than baby a wo hu me because wo se me suru a enya dia wo betimi de me dia konkon mam o ti ase ti di wo betimi de me dia na konkon mam e wo se me suru no wo me double chire me secret place me make kamenu wo ha wo bra untumi mama nko eno na defeat mu bebre me sofo be hu minti ma me fa me wig ni nsie me sofo ni be hu minti me nails ni ma me fa nko hyehyɛ akonwa ase me sofo be hu minti yesu so wote so na atefo wote se skeleton woni ni so wo hu ye mo ade nyina gu nani mo daga in fact wadwene wo fa adwene no ne da nanim te se de ya kyerɛ ade bam wo wadwene mu de wo mu no e da nanim te se wo bi kasa loud so what you say this one suru papa we wo da bi kire na so wo be suru nipa wo be yi nipa sam na be ko dwene because of the woman kon wo suru no. So what you say? This is not the time you sue yourself for. Ije wede. What you say? Who suffer near watchman or hanma? Who watches the watchman? Why the hell will suffer no way watchman? Why the hell no so? Be wise. And not how many people be bonem. I try coach you call bremai. Lies is like water that we drink. Now will be ditra on Srubim. What a Christo sumu no to our sumai no to our sumai the drew good and my bema suni. Who are you fooling? Beman the ordinary the beman the diamond amanaya the opet no we as I see so one chow who be woo rough. So when the Miabonipa said the Subasun in the Sasso. Now Concron and the Timmy Bowen permanent Timmy Sacra or Sacra Nipa. Now so would you drew who could you draw a sacra will be a manaya the opet. And my baby, umutu wa sumai, baby woman chawa asasi umu untem. Bama ni nyona obo no woman e dura no so wonni. Na wa sem baby asa wa wo horo wase. E de ye aduane ma no so wonni no no. Are you out of your mind? What ya so dem would this adwuma ibi? What's in your day? Ashasta se no suma. Hey, will be who I am in the you. Obama the grenade so come. Who at the end of the day you die. At the end of the day you lose. Be wise. Be wise. We are living in the last days. We don't have much time left. And the mapa when fendi kind kwawale. Won kutu awari suma en huntono. So I Christ on this one na me di for you so no follow me boy. Enye dru no wakutu no. cho say e wa nimre di mema no e ma na ye wa de pa nti wa mfremu a ma me panimu tumi tu safu yi se fremo frem ne sa wari ne firi nyame ka be frem se nyame na de ma wati ka be frem ne ye frem nti en lasi unsa mo ko enche unsa u frem anche unsa funu ne ne bie unsa wa ye mobo fra wo frem nti o no wadi mema pe fra be 5 o ma no be 10 obi an ne papa fra wo frem nti a na se ye fra di mu ne gina wo ade gina ye onyame nu mosam bibia betwo nipa di ni di boni. Jesus Christ is coming back again. What's me more koko say you know another year no sa na yesu ma ye ne be normal day say ya ukwadwuma he mamia no to ayetie preaching normal day say ya unka bi hye wo bete se wo soro bom na asase agiso Yesu Kristo ba ne hundi osoro ye hata hoi ehundi osoro ibedwane usinipa amepo betutu ofidi ye wo usinipa enso be betutu hye fam usinipa suru radio odofo insuru nipa suru awurade di nipa di yo bia mane fanya so wonu nyame ntam ye etene a nipa no kra wo danger because you nyame hira no ye monidua ye nsem ti hye woni nyame ntam be ye aduro enko bi so da enko bo so da enko malam so da na enko malam fo amu he wo dem ya mu he wo bubu ne nan si wo no sabra bebo na se ka kokko motoma na mboa sasa na ne matumi ye bibi ma ne ye a nka wono ne hwe ne dabrim so mutumi ye adwuma tem fifiri na mo de akomo modi konfo na wo kon ho no se ne matumi ko yima wo mo hwe ne tinabrim so mutumi tem fifiri ye kumi kura nso wo ti abrochafo play na nse begu na sene kurasini wadi kukuo ni frigame bigura wo kurasini papa wadi kukuo fu play ensebe wadi afu play enra bon yesidware die be ko be wise Yesu Kristo wonye fi wo ye clean and justice won so som pnache bone so won so yinsenyi go so won so awore jaye so won so protection no any we won so kokai bi ho so the same thing so won support ubia wo ko busa onam nwuro so unyame support sa nipa no wo te say jai nyesa da ko unyame bi twa gu sesere da ko wa ho de bi ti wo be da wo sore because the wo be ye no sa aniya esamba so Bible said you turn a man on no abitum. Nti wo tu amena bia ma wo nua be wise. Nyesa so watene wo nyame ni ma wo bitum. You fall into your own pit. Be wise. Jesus loves you. What don't him woni na ho? E mo bia na da. Wo mo firi ye nuru no, e tro timi ye ya. Nti gamwaye. Wo ni hute. Ubi kura woni hwe. Ukotana mo sesa niema. Woni hu. Na Yesu Kristo ba wo ma woni eden. All these people you don't afraid of them anymore. Who's wrong? Oh, woni kapa. Nso yesuro wo ni di boni tie rede. Onyame utimi gi nipa nkwa. Jesus Christ wato ne ho mpan be fa akwate bi ato ne ho so. Nipa gya ne ho edi say anabode. Nipa esum Mark Abraham ne kan. O se nipa gya edi say na bofo esum abode. Ti nipa bi otesa na wie ye nyefu. At the end of the day wo so wasopa. Obu ha wo se ya ni bi kura bono no aye basa. Obu ho so wu ntem. So what you say? Sanda tie Satan won fana de nche obe hawo obe sell. Enitimi srebi we are living in the last days. Boni bia udidi uniano be wise. Me slow me paucho. Manya me koin uni wasem ma. Don't men you when you no so chill. So what you say? And you know, born into your union. So be ye baby, I didn't know crown away no ben and then casa. And so one so ababa watching prince so a brantia chimprin so ubi fa ubi kunu and koso so 214. No mon sacra. Ushia baba one chimpra when you bakra friend Jinan Chan Kachan Sequia. Mprachi and Ubako say him, Emma when you menyam, that's you kunupa, Emma intijay. You say you go one fee that over power, won't to me intijay. 24 because you need to do for Sankia man in your moment. Some men a man who can walk 24 and them no again from home. So what you say? But when you mean 24, also send our baby into a bed into a baha was the Obedruha was the way to say, but back and front, you know, I can't tell my bono. Who papa so one champion, Miss one champion. End of story. Here we. But the papa so one champion also said champion. Who call you now by? And what? A Bashabonibians who in Guasiaman now for. And I wouldn't want. Wouldn't say Bashaboni and Guasiaman now for being country home. So, would you ye? No ye, the old catcher no. A bayani munyamshe. So Christopher, ne say ma, a mere champion. So called Christians. Omono moji jimpana train. Omono moji in say you go so. A colani papa penny or second and na, Obama usika. So called Christians, and would decide you way. Till the parliament to come over one who in some bad thing. Why now, Obefion, who is he? Ofri? Me boasu. And me fia ma. But we don't do this. Tia mana pro. O must say. En koye. Unyame subi kusai. Me kame chrawo. Me seminiam. Adi nyina wi ya be. Jesus Christ will be more you come. Obechie nipa mumu yefo boni soka. Timukwa yi na se mususu ni ntro. Na nipa no ni oni Yesu dete. Tubu tu na mo cho no munyai. Nsama mo aka enim no munyai. Na se ka papa ye ne obi papa ye wa bra wanyi Yesu Kristo ani ne de ko heaven dia. Nka wifo okra wo twe peace ya. O mane yonko peace ma ne twe. Get this. Get this. Nkoleya makwan mami fu be wo motiko mo mafafa wo papa no size na mami si wo no ogigi papa idi wo sha baba wo dressing nye na mami ti ho ni nyina ne se asema onyankopon de ma wo mo Titus chapter 2 going no omo ni so was it teach younger women how to be a good homemakers. Humble themselves to their husbands. Shall dear. No be that will be one now, born in some man for my dear, what to teba. Now, when you be one and I shall see a castle. I dear Michi, the make a term, I dear Michi, because it's woody rough. Berman did do at the moment, me matter, Miss Mimbers will be a baby, into me make it sure say, Miss Street too, before and son will be Berman, around 1 millimeter. No one may walk or see a woman, Miss Ubano, Mentessa. What do you say? Into what's so tessa? Into who couldn't be shown, no what that must say. Mima who couldn't be shown no room in ya. And so, where do you make? Omo makwa ni omo kunu ehwe mma no de omo de ye omo fiti ase no omo kese ma me fo taneti akola yi atade ehye ne nye wo twempena na ne papa kokon se ade na tete akola ne sa ti papa ne hu anu aidi onka o de koso twempena ba o me samna no so de obetom so what you say me sam awofo e mam penimfo. And memam penny for a footbonny no munyai. munyai na wuwa na nsan atemu ho ema nipa da sani bia be wise fa wabrabo nyina ema Yesu Kristo no nkyere wade me kam kyerɛ papa no hunu bone kura wokon no se wo papa na wo bedo na kyɛn bibie wo wiase wonya hu ni ntina wo bo obrabo sa no ti bompa yese wo pese wo hunu honam ni mogya ntumi nkɔ heaven honam ni mogya nkankandan o mmeri no wasasi so nti wo sere no o metena wo mu wo mfa wonye di ope anye sabra wo boy die you are in danger misraw baby a wotie area wotie mu bi hu se wo ye Kristo ni so aba baby a wo begina bia no wotuma bia wa no akansempa na kire wo bi misraw baby a wo betena mu bi hu wo Kristo su danedi everywhere you go area wotie no wotumi de wonyame asema komo bi so what you say anye sadia wono mani nyina yibebu mu akromfo lebu mu bad but some you good the whole area they will love you misramu miniano ye tu kwanya ye na Kristo sunedi ye ma ya brabon speaking volumes na mankofo hu ye no munhia de enye Kristo kakra wiase kakra say a Christopher bebre edru winter mo ye Christopher sama ne ba no mada ne wiase fo because in the dress e kura be kire say Kristo ntinimu mesh ye gudi tiri so kire say Kristo ntinimu de waye nanim kire say Kristo ntinimu woko party asia na sakura kire say Kristo ntinimu de wo twitwa bi wayi na say kire say Kristo ntinimu de ntia wakova no ho ne say na wode no na ye winter say wi na bo nti wo hia maame no na hwe ni keshe no maame 50 years 45 years what is wrong with you was a man fe ni wo de ani agene mu atie agene ti se obi a wo modam gene se obi a ne ti wo fie en shenta de se was a ma for because first just when you wo de obi a ne wo de no shenta de yi de film was a fe ni wo de second just a wajin muti obi a na wajin muti no dress se bodani what into was a man fe ni wo de ani agene muti en shenta de se shata de ese ababawa ese wo ba pani ese raba so we did be guess you who mo Facebook ha ni nikada na ha ni sire ya pepe ho wo hwe ne na ho di gina ho ai wo seke ya cover ho no all the glasses here some dress bad and all the glasses see and see me no see you sunglasses or dressing bad no one can say she's ashamed of herself but ne die boninti wakata so no the glasses ashe no ashe half naked mami penina ni nufu nguo utwa ne kaba ne da wo yese ya ni nufu nyina ne bayi ho na wafa so woni ho enkoka so what you say na manfo wo ye fe sister kuya mo sankofo no hypocrite munnie mo de mo takrama defe nipa e wo boni ho sankofo no munnie mami ya tadie shen mfata Kristo ususu kwa sore ususu no kanfo na tadie shen we half naked o kanfo no ni sire mu nyina go o kanfo no enema yi mu bi sa na mote ye drafo say half naked na mo doyen e ho na mo peyasem e ho na mo ni gie me kai last bi na me kunu ko baseball na me hwe me dressing abodam chemia me sumi ye nipa kokko ena ma hye jeans na black ni ye twitwa anim na mpaboa hyeme matade na hyeme no eni nsatia na hair white na me kuku mu nyina eguo na me hwe me tiri ho me de na otum say yes me nchele kura na we na me nam me kunu pakeka na ye di nanim ne yako na boy bi gina mechi ofre me a me samante no o yire no said ni nyina na me ba na check you no be me can I get your number hey you look nice you did this when me ba no so milikem o ko be bia me kuno pakeka na ko ka tere ne se brother bi tata me mami o de dam me ma ni nyina na se de ma ye me ho ne ma wotumi nya kokoduru de be this time ya me ti we obi ntumi ofere kra ti abrantie 20 years. Sister, the way you want you know what back from your bra was all the way to the level. I'm at 20 years to me when him so pay. When I'm in the country on all in Facebook, well in Facebook for you or must send a this picture all the you know the buy and see. Or don't say any party. No him so no found. No him. Let me know I Jina Betutum say yes, where guy pass. So unse man or more half naked so was a memo we see my chick, you know. You see, that's my chick. Yes. What's the challenge when my memory be a man than diamond watching a ball monster or no bad dressing complete who a naked needing a cheap. So what I say, 2 dinner, you know, what tone you had the Janonimo. Brandy Tony here at the Jabat Uni. The wolf say, baby, and the nominate the wire home, a home you knew who we are sick, and you know whom you stay time. Or when you know what they shan the year half naked and then one, a bema brabon or what any year, because one whom woman in the bed that I'm in the bad lock. Did you only could better know the bad lock? I come to Beman Taria now, why or Chichara. They don't know. Until what dress half naked, they don't know my pompous. Who cover who come modesty, they don't like it. Let us say but when we say beauty, a dead deal soup and no buying. The few muba, that's what we call it beauty. Beauty is not face. Say your face again and say the talk. What me call yan when it's tian. And say Murefi, Lady Biba was so much to keep us no my cocoa. Me what? Kakona would miss that no I call. A 2 hour to me call is silicone in no for me and yashim. It is a beauty, dear now, dear. Cosmetologist anyway, one ton of one thing a silver. Beauty is what comes from within. The few uber and yet we call it beauty. And so no remember you no mukra. Sister not so no what the heck. What bread to you to see just so and no foy, yen to change just on you, yen find this yen fitting to so. Nipa to sing green. And they are wire from a better canoe hojo. Nassan a 20 now depending on the Nimbia will be hojo. Obe Momo, the Nimu Bay Momo, Obe Mobo. Obe Hojo, I said, Obey Mobo. One Yaris wood and man in the was such as what the skin nam asha say a hojo, a momo. Into one young Raban consider to be wise. The same as when you're branching considers and then I did not know money now. No, Mamma would money to Sunny Manason with the Kawarians Mooney. Move a mot say yes to Pienne. No Casa or my seconds will be Uncle Jawaria, Messay, including pastors, Umbeja Jawari. You big journey, and take maybe. We will run. Because whatever we see, no, and nothing lasts forever in this world. Yet the neo and remember the be woman do money career babawa and mabawa ye sika go diggers. So what you say? Nti e bana se bi ni mu a ada so be jawo ana obetwempra ubusa na kua ko ho se ade se de wo ye me watchman first day so be se Ghana ni ba wo kunu no wo mpra nso ne wo mo bo adwaman no ma wo be bo nsem. One more tongue, what war to me to conquer Ghana, no, or Sako Chimpana, no, ba. We are also a Christian. So what you say? We just bet man the war. It to me be they just so to me the man bear my for room so unfair. No, be crabby too for. Now there will be a channel Chicago. What one secret of family could class old now? What's the man said he was in Jenna Sweden? Oh, how? And Yana go west to Tamuha. So what you say? Obi so me fiti koti obo si ama me wa warentem. Na wo yonge fefefesi wa warentem sam. You see the way people talk. Nipa ni jina ho ni yiri jina ho was again when nka ye wo yiri ka we say sister we say ke be fata pa. Say the wo di bia city no oba bi say nka be fata wo. Wa nipa ni so. Sister na ni kunu ni jina ho. Mani kunu na damfo asema walking. They don't respect anymore. say wow me busa yes wa ware say ah oba wo ho fe no wa ware ntem sa no you see ti ka me botcha wo and you was so maybe yes you no be ko to jam they will burn you alive me ma di omo kana ma wuti mu nya wo de e china wo bewu amoma kasa Abraham fa unsi ne kukum so Abraham onim wo bewu am ya cho rest in peace you're resting in punishment sale ma me no biye wo fe ai ya preko wo sese antimi de sese de ya preko ye ne pa de o se kuya nti ya preko wo no nko ne be ma wo wiase de ne nko nya na ka du suja sale ni ma na wo ye no se ya preko nko ne be ma asasi so a eni wo nya ne du suja ampa na ware no ma me ne de ni mu no o yeso ye de won sa koma no na ge ne tia buchi ha no ne brother ne jai na wo ma wo chinchi wo mo so ba kokura ntumi anware no at the end of the day no odan nsadwam wo hia ne party ase register etu wo chansa bia bi nti won kamera wo dia gro obemo fa ne parking lot wo wie na sofo bi ba na wo fia baifo no so sumu no usu unim se ono ne hyase unim da most of women they disrespect their husbands because of their moms their friends nti aware ne gu wa wo 5 be ma na wo ko awe so we ja be ma ono wo ko na aka wo ne wo niema na de nam mema yi so oba na wo hu sa niema ne di wachi sa ono wo da bia na wo ja ko to be na musa at o hit 50 pe or hit and they say the momo can say pillar or whatever onya hit wo pe na aka ne nsam keka ne nsagye to hia babawa na bra bo be ko ye wo ntu de fopa be yete se wo no a nti ne yefutufu asan afutu boni no wo tu nti wo se wo futufu na asan ka wo hia babawa na wo ho ne ho fe utum sa babawa wo hwi na be ma papa bi so ni mu be boa no ma me no won kan wo se o jai ante me ma me di o hadwe pa wo se o ma me ni wonya na sem ofisa benjimi bren ne ni nyina ne se sister ma me no wo mpew yi o se di na bra bo asopa no sa no pese wo so wo de aye nti obetu fu boni na okofa be ma na be ma ne do wada utira nyi ya no ma ya ne utira nyi ya wo benyi se 3 times no ebi kwa ne nyame ma wo mam mien sape ebi no nyame ma wo ba ko pe afi at the end of the day wo be brubun si wo be nya be ma bi afi na too late on se 20 no wo mati kopo mo be to ye ne ka bia muntie ayonko gro akohwibra emei wo mo penna fofo kura che wo mo ma ne wukunu no bachire party bia si be hia sitai onye good homemaker omuade ti be ma ne timi ne ntra yie so what you say nti wonya ye no twetwe bi ne ba na ni so se mema nye nti wo hia baba wa no se mema nye so ye ne di tuato so obi wise ne da kola ni tirim so what you say nipa bia nso wo bra wo ho se ye be do meboa nipa bi se ni nipa ne ti wonya bra wo ho se ma no wo be do ana meboa ba wo yi ho bra se ne firi wa ka kira wo se mema nye so ye nti mema nso ko hia papa bi ne tirim wu a o so ba wo do ne bebi ba wo jimi abem kwan kura yini abem kwan wo yefun be oya o so san kwan ni wo fa tuntum no fa kokko no fa fita no fa titia no wo tu fusa nti wo na ma no bo to greasy abrante na area gas ni na wo mada wo wie wo be mobo abrabo na hyase na nyadi o awie no edu mo sam ni yeke ti de bia na mi dimpanifo na mo bia ya wo bia bonte na mo fa mo brabo no de mo ye ya nyi yire me ye futuma emachiri ma no mo sie bibi but they refuse o ma show ma no pop they won't tell you the amount of falling down they won't tell you the amount of call from they won't tell you o be hwa mo kutumbi wo hia panimu bi sa dwane free ni nchen edwene ne woni tirimu keke edwene no e wo ho keke so what you say be wise and man be brain so meka no kura wo start 45 50 econo wo be hye no be brain no wo Bebre, I'm not for me, one can't tell me. Bebre, no. Kaunyaya, nka clock no santene, no munkoto mo wasentena o mawari mboko. Bebre mo mama me no ye bo mo bayi nyina ne se, mama na moa no tam na wari ni hihim no wa moa no. O support ma wari ni gu na boyi sister no, efiri o enya stable marriage bi o. Ti wo fa na fofra no de fro ne mama ni nyina ne se ne mama ka che ne se akua wo ho fe betena se. Wo so wo mpewa betena se mi di ya be ma bi adi. So ono nko na ye be ma di suja. Ucheke mama na bra bo susu mama na ti wonu no sa age no woni kunu nti wo pese ne ba no so be yes ah mo fi so modom they were deceiving you shisha waje nko na ukra me ben Yesu Kristo no mo wa e wono ka so ba bra wo se ukuna se you will do it fini wade ni adwunu tie shentade se you will do it. You won't listen to anybody who will drag your soul to hell. She a man ye nano ye chu mo tas ni ntu o mfo ye ne ye do mo ba wiase si ye bra ye ho asem nyankopon obema ye tumi wo ye num asem when we talk to them they will listen but si tu awrade so tua ye man so betu ye so tua ye ka wo ntie last me sorry amopa na me back to e ho na me bom pai na me say awrade me person na wo silence the whole day me musa kole asem ma ne kura mie na no ono so ne pe kasapa ene ono be dun komo sisia na no wa ya di bi na me pese mete na no kura ne kasa na me bomb na me say ready say ampa me ba no e be kasa ya pam na no e be kasa obi di ahoma apam na no say me afa na me nessa ya me ho na me say wow. See Yesu Kristo di wani msa obeye bibia brother. I just had no one say enya adwuma it will work. So what you say? Ntina oba Kristo ma wo so wunya yemu ye na wo yam hyehye ma wo na wo kobonim. Anya sa wo bie wa no ye nsema wo beka no it will work. Nti wo ye wo saa na wa ma wo ahumobro. Se de be ya wo nka bibi ntu obi so e ma nan affected. So what you say? To wo ye wo saa pe wo so wa ma wo ahumobro. Ti nipa na ye bone ene wo kan ne ka wo be kese no ana wo be ka bibi asai ne life. Wo se no awrade ma wo ahumobro. Na wo tietia break. So what you say? Na fe wo hu nipa na mobo nyesa wo bie wa no a de be ba no e be work. So wo ti mi sremi ni no e pa mo chaw abusuafo ye ni correct wo da se de ye maye bone ye tia wo no sa na awrade so ye bone wo betia ti de bia me maye bone na me tia wo pe na me so mafa me ho adwen me se de me wo bon se na e kasa kire me wo se de wo si tia wo be sa na wo di awrade rough on fa ho nchaw nti be wise to ususu bibi se de wo kasa kire akola wo ntia wani abre no sa me so awrade wo kasa me kasa kire no wo ntia you will be in trouble nti na ma me so mitutuma na mo ye because or the me be set example me ka kire mo se me school as a guest SP headmaster by yam prapra or any come on many me set example of parade guest SP I lane no parade me gina ho was me ye wish kura ahyegu e ma me to 14 e ma no so ye ka bo ho me kutapila mu say wam who you wish ahyegu aden guest SP man set good example it is the study ye de me be set example for students. Timothy can say, me, myself, I have to be wise. And yes, sir. Say me my bonny me tion, son, ready betia me. And I'm so many no couldn't me diano, me a danger, and no plow. Will be plow. Tiana bo Christum was in be me fear for bay for. Yes, could I be for a bedget. Before you so to me. What do you for no be plow? Why say you would be sure before Cosumabosum? No, he didn't say through so. To win a papa na be wise. Who could that Puma, ne Puma na daddy? What the boss or say you were nim, say you were cheap, say you would sissy, say you were pumping, say be cool on it. Or better be a bow on my picture into win a papa na man why wise. No, show up a ye. Was it new and common? Was it now abortion? Don't do it. And your family planning, don't do it. Munim a Christopher Maba, Musunim Papa. Mention me. Some say. Psalm 127 verse 3. Your Bible look at Psalm 127 verse 3. Psalm 127 Wasi, hwe, Awurade ejapade ne emabani. Na yefunumu aba ye nakatua. Tio. Wasi Awurade ejapade ene mabani. Yefunumu aba eye nakatua. Uwie no sambe kan se, no men kan yo sanka Awurade afana firi mogem. Okay? Enti se oba te ho na wonyema. Uyefunumu ade na ye Nyankopon akatua. Emabani ye ne japade. Ti uko sanka sade na onyameni wanya, you will be in trouble. Na uti asore dem na se. Wo na wo hwe nipa. Ti ubetuma hwe nipa, nti ubekoso asem we mu mpe nso de bia meka. Until thy kingdom come. Because eno na ma uti mo onyame wo mfi wo no. Mo jejina wo nsem. Na wo ka kire Awurade se, na sem o ka Psalm 23 say yefo wa na mepefo hwiri hia me no Awurade twa ntro. Wo no na wo hwa wo ho. Enti wo be papa pills. And the Nima Koshisha won your family planning. Asanka Awurade afuna afiri mogam. Ama Awurade ejapade eye yefunu ade no wo wasem. Na wo wi a wasa kopiga onsa ye yeshira wo be kun. Wo mpira wo ne kyeresa wo nyane dia. Tu dia ne nam ho obepra wo se zumi la yomura no wakosho djurbe. Ne man wo nka ho ko pira. Ko atian because wo bi pia wontinu hu bi ba so wo ye bibia wontian no. Uko busa wo se wo nyame ba. Eye meme ba na eye de akmetian ana meboa. Ti Awurade wo nyane ba wontian. Nti wonsa wo tie asafo mu a wo papo pills day and night ye koka na na ye nya sa dinti ne ye kasa no. Enne me ka kire wo. Wo japade na wasi wo Ghana wo fie no. So wo bi ko pamanti tum no wo hye fie na. Wo de be ko wo be ye de na tum ana meboa. Ene wo se emma bani ye ne japade. Akola na oda yem no wo ye be ma na oba. Unim di oye. Na so wo be se wo nyame japade be boa. Akatua na wo yefunu ade na ye na katua no Onyankopon na adwuma wa ye na katua no wo se no wo ko adwuma na ko ye adwuma na wo ye unya mfaso na kromfo ji usika wo kejetia na ye kromfo ka beka se ma na mfango ka beka and ye true Awurade ni so tua nti say if God is going to hand judgment down he deserves to do it and we ye he dan the bufu be san no no baga opua na wo himfa na obegina enne die chiri sister wo te boni brother himfa na wo obegina sa no na wo kogina ti se wo yin sentu wo kunu se wo aboba so ko yitu wo do hospital or say na doctor say it's just a blood me boa ono so se no me wo di kan de no me ato so wo se no me nka de o sanka Awurade afuna firi mogye no wakuyi atugo na no kunu mu betwi so samen so wo man boboso ntiko yitugu mewa se de be ya obetimi ne watwi so party ase mewa wo wie ye ne asem onyame mpira wo no kire se wonya ne de ntifa nsa guti ne su na sa wo ye ne de ku bi pira am wo mi se di wi asete be wise ye ne kurati woda o na de eba no e kuru ya sase a wotiso e obi de o ye Yesu Kristo and wo ba bi buufo Bible say ne papa de atemu ni nyina hye ne nsa nti wo spell nti wo agyensa kra bi do it today enuro no kosesa tugu ade na ye de akosho ya appointment Monday ko doctor ho ne ko yitoto wo kunu se wo yi sa de no no na wo nyai period wo nyai nko in danger yourself because who be woman na ware foforo who be woman ko for be rest in peace so now we pray our Hades be wise atemu janu so kunu me jina ho bi obi ekubu na ten so what you say when di kan ka che wo se di udukum eyire ena eja eba ese wi asafo Awurade won fata mahini ti do kum ne ko sanka Awurade afana firi moji do yire no convince no nko yin se e ma ne bitimi de omukum odo me de mekwa ko yetugu na mama wo boboso na madwuma kura na me nyima me honya den adwuma yi be yi medi se me nye den me de me pato no wasoso mu wusu hey sister what woni patini yida wo ye ma oba asase su de o ma me ma okwa ma oba obi de mra de o ma ne kwan wada no usi akwan wo nipa wo ye futuma ne nson wo si wo nyame kwan de opeso wo ye na mo wi na de mo pe no so mo da ne vagabonds erade fe bonite erade me ni mra ye huso o ma yi huso de ye no e de ye ko wu omwaye ni ye huso ba bia yi gina no e hoto nipa medicha wasase so enchene nipa wu enchene brantia wo gina no so no wadwo se balu sanyami awutimi gi nipa kum konfiri ne nsam no wonu na ye nsuru no mi sinkramufo ya de ma me mefe kramuni be wo 100 kro be wo nsu so called Christians for the no beto aduro so who are you fooling wasituru bia ya momfa de ntini bi namfofo bible ne kan wasituru bia momfa de ntini bi namfofo na niema bi omo ye munsua nketuru bia koto sa nkramufo ko masalacha na okugya na ohwe mad dressing na de esua de so what you say so jin hu mena nso onyine yie tini fia bai fo to ya o wasiwe so fo wa moamia ni e fa bidum ye ni bidum da ni e kisi bidum wa sore ni e jin kofo toma ni e him mpieto ni mu brezia mo janyame ho wasim nim dia me mani nti wo mayira rade moy umie ye ni hu no kura ni ankonso hem ni ankoto ma ni enwu sa de boyefo ni enwu sekreman furu the radius you so one coming the bano de abedum wo to anamo be wise hwiye said you oba eja tia ne ba no sa na urade tia ne ma ti wo ye bibi no on tia wa na chesa wo nya ne dia onka udasu urade ntimi ya odi anka wa ntia me wa hwe boni am kodi wo nya ne dia nti na seta pia wo ntia wo we ja wo be pra wo se bola fo ne ba wo se de nya ne yetugo wan ka fie wo kire se wo ye bola okotu ogu to be wise erade me da was Jesus Christ me show ni munyam ye okese se wo din konim me da was se wo di wasam abraye me so se me nya se me tie fo refufo nsisi ho me tie asemi ni ntu ho na mo na ye nye asem no yefo na wo pie wani munyam a ye di wo sebo aba be hia wo e wo wiem ye da wase se wo din konim wadom no nti amen
me show do some ana mu say shaba bia nipa tu nipa go no wrong
bia
to ba so dia say you Christ no odi adanse say was say something no say
you may now subscribe.